Writing Task 1. The chart below shows the protein and calorie intakes of people in different parts of the world. Please check the graph for next 20 seconds.
The first bar chart compares how much protein that citizens from 4 different regions take in, while the second one illustrates how many calories they receive. Overall, North Americans consume an excessive amount of protein and calories. In contrast, the protein and calorie intakes of 3 other areas are under the ideal line. The total protein North Americans absorb is 80%, which is about 10% higher than the ideal intake. Specifically, they get the amount of protein from animals 3 times as high as from other sources, 62% compares to 18% respectively. Similarly, although both Latin America and East Asia record the higher protein intake from fats and meats, they are still far behind the recommended line. In comparison, Indians get more protein from others, at 15%, which is slightly higher than from animals. Meanwhile, the similar trend is seen in the order of calorie intakes when North Americans take in 3,500 calories compared with 3,000 calorie ideal intake. However, Latin America nearly reaches the recommendation, with approximately 2,800 calories. Whereas, the other 2 regions are about 2/3 of the line.
Writing Task 2. For many people, the reason they work hard is to earn money. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
Due to advances in technology, more and more people working harder to earn a lot of money as well as learn skills along with experiences. Some people think that people work hard, the reason is to earn money. I agree with this statement, and I think that some public work hard to learn skills and help others. I will discuss my reasons for it in the upcoming paragraphs. To begin with, there are many reasons why the public work hard to earn money. First and foremost, money is the basic need for every individual to fulfill their daily activities. For example, due to advanced in technology and the digitalization of the world, everything's skyrocketing, and for that reason, individuals working harder to earn a lot of money for their daily expenses. Secondly, without money, people cannot survive in the developed world. This is because individuals need money to buy their household chores and other things. On the other hand, some people work hard to learn some skills and help their country. For example, Bhagat Singh worked hard for us to be free from British rule and died as a brave martyr. Hence, some public wants to save their country people by socializing and campaignings. Furthermore, we listen to many army officers who died in wars. It is illustrated that some people also exist in this world who work harder for others. In conclusion, money is a basic need for the public to survive, and we cannot be denied the need for money. However, every individual does not work hard to earn money. Some also want to help others and learn skills from their work.
Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.